Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best retractable tonneau covers that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Rough Country Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Rough Country Hard Tri-Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is designed to fit Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 models from 2019 to 2025 that have the 5 feet 10 inch short bed. This truck bed cover adds protection without removing access to your entire bed space. It folds upward using a tri-fold system that allows you to keep it fully closed, partly open, or completely upright for full loading convenience. Constructed using strong and lightweight aluminum material, the cover resists rust and harsh outdoor conditions. The matte black finish offers a modern look while also helping to reduce signs of wear. This cover fits neatly over the bed rails and includes built-in weather seals and drainage channels. These elements work together to help guide water away from your truck bed, keeping the contents dry and clean even during bad weather. With no need for drilling, installation is simple using the included equipment. Safety straps and prop rods keep the cover stable while open. The auto-latching mechanism gives peace of mind by keeping the tailgate closed and secure. For those looking to protect tools, sports gear, or other cargo, this folding system adds an extra layer of safety. Its low-profile design helps reduce drag while improving truck style. Rough Country's tri-fold solution makes it easier for owners to switch between covered storage and open bed utility with minimal effort, giving a more flexible experience for daily driving or work use. In our list, the number 2 product name is Roll N Lock Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Rail Truck Roll N Lock M Series retractable truck bed tonneau cover is designed for Chevrolet and General Motors Silverado and Sierra models from the year 2019 through 2025. It works with Multi-Pro and Flex tailgates, except for the Carbon Pro bed version, and fits beds measuring 5 feet 10 inches. Its unique design allows for smooth use without reducing the space inside the truck bed. The compact storage canister measures around 7 1/4 inches deep, helping to maintain cargo capacity while offering secure and easy storage. This cover includes a vinyl layer over an aluminum base that brings both flexibility and strength. The inside contains a torsion spring inside a 3-inch aluminum tube, allowing the cover to slide open with minimal effort. It also includes a ratchet-style locking feature that holds the cover in place at multiple positions. The 4-point locking system ensures extra safety when combined with the tailgate. Installation is made simple with a clamp-on track design, requiring no special mechanical knowledge. Its structure helps to avoid problems like fabric shrinking, snapping buttons, or folding heavy panels. A pull strap is built in for easier access and handling. The undercarriage is shaped for frictionless movement and extra protection. Made in the United States using materials sourced from across the globe, this truck bed cover is supported by a United States-based customer service team and includes a 3-year guarantee. Its overall design aims to combine function, security, and lasting quality. In our list, the number 3 product name is Retrax Pro XR Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Rail Truck Retrax Pro XR retractable truck bed tonneau cover is made to fit Toyota Tacoma double cab models from the year 2016 to 2023. Designed for truck beds measuring 5 feet 1 inch, it offers a dependable way to protect and organize cargo during travel. The product is built using aluminum with a matte surface and designed to resist weather effects, making it useful for various outdoor needs. The structure includes a rail system that supports many T-slot accessories from different brands. These options allow users to carry items more efficiently by expanding storage above the truck bed. The aluminum slats are strong enough to hold weight evenly while keeping the overall design lightweight and functional. Its smooth roller system moves along the rails without requiring extra tools like pull straps or springs. The design keeps the holding canister hidden inside the bed, giving the vehicle a cleaner and more organized look. It includes a locking system operated with a key, letting it stay secure at any point along the track. Installation can be handled with simple tools and does not demand advanced skills. It includes adjustable latching positions so users can choose how much of the bed stays covered while moving different types of equipment. The product is manufactured in the United States with globally sourced components and supported by a long-term guarantee. It blends practical use, long-lasting strength, and compatibility with various storage upgrades. In our list, the number 4 product name is Syneticusa MB Retractable Hard Tonneau Cover. Syneticusa MB Retractable Hard Tonneau Cover is made for Ford F-150 trucks from 2004 to 2025 with the 5 feet 6 inch style side bed. This bed cover blends strength and design to help secure your cargo while keeping the truck looking clean and modern. It suits models including Raptor and Lightning, adding value for a wide range of drivers. This cover is built with strong aluminum and finished in a matte black powder coating. Its surface resists harsh sunlight, helping reduce fading or wear over time. The design includes side locks, placed on both ends, to give extra security while the truck is parked or on the move. A key feature of this product is the ability to slide open and close using a smooth retractable system. This function allows access to the bed without removing the cover, which is helpful for fast loading or unloading. When closed, seals help block dust and water, protecting tools, gear, or any other items stored beneath it. A drainage system helps move water away from the truck bed, reducing the chance of buildup. With a low profile, the cover sits nearly level with the top of the bed rails. This helps with wind resistance and improves the truck's appearance. The material can support up to 500 pounds when weight is spread evenly, showing how solid and dependable it is for long-term use. This retractable bed cover is a practical choice for people needing both function and protection. In our list, the number 5 product name is ONINE Retractable Hard Tonneau Cover. The ONINE Pull-Lock Go Retractable Hard Tonneau Cover is made for Ford F-150 trucks with 5 feet 6 inch beds, covering models from 2015 to 2025. This matte black cover blends strength and function using aluminum slats and a low-profile structure that suits different truck setups. Its surface is designed to resist wear from sunlight, scratches, and severe conditions. This model includes an integrated rail system that works with most cargo and crossbar racks, which helps increase storage possibilities for work tools or adventure gear. The design supports flexible storage without removing the cover, making it practical for users who need fast access and added capacity. With its pull strap and wide front handle, this retractable cover allows for simple opening and closing. The strap allows the user to shut the cover without needing to step inside the bed or walk around the truck. The retracting function saves time and helps when dealing with large or heavy items. Made with waterproof and dustproof protection rated IP56, it guards the cargo area from moisture and dirt. The system also includes a cargo light already installed, adding visibility in dark or low-light areas. Setup does not require drilling, which keeps the truck's original structure intact. The aluminum frame adds strength and allows for everyday use in varied environments. This truck bed cover balances long-lasting quality with modern design for Ford truck owners needing security and expanded storage. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.